Hi, I'm Jerry Dill at Dill's Greenhouse. We make up hundreds of moss baskets, and they're a little bit tricky to do. So Abby's going to show us how she does it.
So we just we put 5 plants around the bottom, and then 5 around the top, and then 5 on top. And we go and we make holes, and I just make them like triangles. So like do one on the top, one in the middle, one here, and then we pull out the plugs, and we put them in like this. And we go around the whole bottom and do them. It's around the bottom. We for sure want to make sure that these have a lot of roots. The top isn't quite as necessary because they're not as fragile to stick in. So now I like to have a bucket right here beside me. Oh, one thing I forgot is we always soak the moss baskets in water over here. There's none in there right now. So we can easier punch the holes in the side. So then I like to make my holes first. And then the last step is putting the hanger on. And we're done. And then we water it.
Good job, Abby.